welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a package today to open and I thought I would share it with you because I'm kind of excited about it. This is a new venture for me of what I'm going to be selling in my Etsy shop. And I hope that you'll be excited too. Get this open. Announcing, I will now be selling patterns in my Etsy shop. I'm excited about that. So I'm starting out with the Old Tattered Flag and Threads That Bind. So I have 5 patterns. Let me group these together. 5 patterns that I'm going to start with from the Old Tattered Flag. Don't want to miss any. I also have Ultra Punch needles. I sell those in my Etsy shop. They're $26 each, and you get a 12 by 15 piece of weaver's cloth to get you started out. I also sell half yards and yards by the yard pieces of weaver's cloth in my Etsy shop. It's $8 a yard and $5 for half a yard. So here is our first pattern. This is one that I really am excited to do. Let me show you. You can see that. That is called Flagler. I think that's how you say it. F-L-A-G-L-E-R. Flagler and Caw. C-A-W for the crow. This one is called Pennies and Petals. You can see that. There. That is 16.5 inches by 10.5 inches. All of these patterns come with the pattern actually printed on the weaver's cloth, and I'm going to show you a sample real quick. This is the Pennies and Petals pattern, so you can see how big that is. That one's going to take a while, and it's going to be fun to do with all the primitive colors. I'll put that back together later. The next one, his name is Fluffy. I used to have a dog named Fluffy. 8 inches by 9 inches. So there's that one. Hope these are coming out clear for you. The next one is Summer Blooms. 9.5 inches by 5 inches. I'm going to take this out so you don't get a glare. Because it's dark, it's kind of hard to see it. Let's see there, if you can see that one. And then the 5th one is Crazy Doodle Pumpkin to get ready for the fall. It is 8 inches by 9.5 inches. So all of these, I have 3 of each, so they won't last real long. I will have the prices once I look that up, and I'll have them on my Etsy shop probably later tonight. And all of these do have the pattern printed on the fabric. So you have your color list on the back for your thread list, and then you have your color picture on the front here. And you have your printed pattern on the weaver's cloth. So you all have a great day. I'm getting ready to film another video showing you what you can do with your punch needle things after they're finished. Have a great day and shop my Etsy shop. I'll have it all listed soon. Thanks. Bye.